My name is Tiffany Marcella. I'm from 11 Accounting 1. White bread, fried egg, greens, tomato slice, cheddar cheese, mayonnaise, and sauce. Turn on your stove. Toast the bread on the teflon. Leave the bread on until turning brown. Turn off your stove. Then take the bread that has been baked. Top with greens and cheese. Also add the fried egg and tomato slice. Then add mayonnaise. And sauce. Top with the greens before you're covering with the last layer.